The desert doesn't forgive mistakes. No shadows to hide in. No water to spare. It's not just heat you're fighting. It's exposure, exhaustion. The enemy watching from beyond the mirage. In this video, you'll learn the core principles of desert warfare with memory tricks and real-world comparisons to help them stick for life. Let's begin. Think of the desert like an ocean. Wide open. Constant movement. No cover for miles. Just like sailors use the stars to navigate, soldiers use landmarks, rock formations, dry creek beds, distant ridges. In desert warfare, every step leaves a clue. Learn to read the sand, or you'll be read by it. Movement in the desert is like sneaking across a stage with the lights on. You're exposed! So you move with the sun, not against it. Travel at dawn and dusk. Use terrain depressions. Crawl if you must. Camouflage isn't just color, it's behavior. Don't walk a straight line. Ghosts don't cast shadows. Avoid the death window. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., where heat kills judgment. In the desert, water is more valuable than bullets. Your body is the vehicle. Dehydration is the engine failure. Don't drink when thirsty. Drink to prevent thirst. Camel up at night. Conserve during the day. Desert firefights are fast and blinding. No echo. No second chances. You engage like a sniper, not a sprayer. Every shot gives your position. Use mirage lines to mask movement. Return fire from offset positions. In the desert, the first to move often dies. The first to wait often wins. In desert warfare, your mind is your strongest weapon. Stay ahead of the heat. Stay lower than the horizon. Stay invisible even in daylight. Survival is patience. Tactics are discipline. Move like vapor. Think like the wind. And always remember, in the desert, only the prepared remain.